Looking for the ultimate multi-tool that combines versatility, style, and affordability? Meet the Gerber Suspension-NXT, a compact tool for your everyday carry. In this video, we'll unbox it, break down its features, and put it to the test to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a DIYer, or just someone who loves having the right tool at the right time, this multi-tool might be your next favorite companion. Compact and lightweight, the Suspension-NXT measures 4¼ inches when closed and 6½ inches when open, weighing only 6.4 ounces. Packed with practical features, it includes needle nose pliers, various flathead and cross drivers, scissors, a partially serrated blade, and more. Designed with a butterfly opening mechanism and a locking feature, the tool ensures safety and ease of use while protecting its components when not in action. Let's take a closer look at what makes this tool so useful. First, check out the needle nose pliers, perfect for gripping, twisting, and even delicate work. Now, flip it open to reveal the wire stripper and medium flathead screwdriver, both ideal for quick fixes whether you're setting up camp or handling a repair. Every tool locks into place securely so you can work confidently without worrying about safety. This multi-tool is slim, lightweight, and clips neatly to your pocket or belt. Now let's test the all-in-file. The all punches through material like leather or fabric with ease, while the file smooths rough edges. Great for a DIY or camping project. Notice the partially serrated blade, sharp and versatile for cutting rope or food prep while camping. The ruler is handy for quick measurements, and all these tools are crafted with durability in mind, thanks to its stainless steel build. Whether you're in the wild or tackling everyday challenges, the Suspension-NXT delivers, and with Gerber's lifetime guarantee, you'll know it's built to last. Thanks for joining me as we looked at the Gerber Suspension-NXT multi-tool. If this video helped you learn more about whether it's the right tool for your everyday carry, give it a like and share it with your fellow EDC enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.